Welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and today we are making risotto. Now I know what you're thinking. Risotto, scary! It's got wine in it. The rice is picky. It takes a long time. Well, I'm here to tell you there is nothing to fear with this easy, vegan mushroom risotto. Let's get into it. First things first, let's put 4 cups of veggie broth onto the stove. We need the broth to be hot for later, so turn the heat up until it starts to bubble, then leave it at a light simmer. Next, let's finely mince half an onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and about a cup of mushrooms, preferably button or baby bella mushrooms. Place a large pot onto the stove on medium-high and melt down some vegan butter. Once it starts to bubble, add in the mushrooms. Cook those for around 7 minutes until they sweat out their liquid and darken in color. Now add in the onions and garlic and continue to cook for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the onions are translucent. I'm also going to add a pinch of salt at this time as well. Time for the rice. Add in some raw arborio rice and stir it around the pot for about 3 minutes, or until the rice is glossy. If you can smell the rice, you're good to go. Now's the point to add some white wine if you'd like, but I never have any of that, so instead I'm adding a splash of lemon juice to introduce a hint of acidity. Let's also throw in some dried parsley before moving on to the broth. Bring over the simmering veggie broth and grab a half cup. Pour it into the rice and mix it together until the liquid has been fully absorbed. Once your spoon can scrape across the bottom, showing nothing but dry pan, add another half cup of broth. Mix until fully absorbed once more, then add another half cup, and wait till it's absorbed, and add another half cup, and I think you get it. Adding the broth slowly like this will give the rice that creamy texture risotto is known for. With all our broth absorbed by the rice, let's do a taste test. The rice should be fully cooked with a slightly chewy al dente texture. Now let's mix in some nutritional yeast to add a bit of a cheesy bite. And why not, let's shake some pepper in there too. This risotto is looking good, so grab some fresh parsley and let's plate this dish. All right, let's do this. Our rice is really nice and creamy, and we have a really good boldness from both our onions and the earthiness from the mushrooms. It's really good. Well, that does it for today. Let me know what recipes you want to see down in the comments. Like and subscribe so you don't miss any future dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
There has got to be a more efficient way to do this.